Now we will show you how to upload your company logo to your company profile. For that you have to go to the left-hand side of the Wikipedia page where you find Upload File, which opens the upload wizard that helps you uploading files. Here you can select directly your company logo and upload it, or you can just drag and drop it to this window. If it is uploaded, you see a small version of it here, and you can click on continue. If this is your own work, you can choose own work and your name will automatically be filled in, and the Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike 4.0 license will be chosen. If you want to use a different license, please select different license. In most cases, I believe that this file will not be your own work, and then you choose this option and fill in a source. And an author. And you might want to choose this logo belongs to the company or organization who holds the trademark to it. Click Next. And here you have the option to change the image title and to add a description. So for example, here BBEPP logo. You have to select a date. In this case, this would be 2008, January. You don't have to choose a category. This is optional. If you click on Publish Files, yeah, you can just ignore the warning. And now your logo is uploaded to the Wikipedia page. Please be sure to remember your file name, which is also shown here. We recommend to copy it from here, so please use Command and Copy or right-click copy. And then we can go to your company description or your technology profile. Please be sure to have enabled the What You See is What You Get editor. And then you can go to your technology info box. If you click on it, you will get this Edit button in the upper right. And here we can now choose Add More Information, Image. Here we enter the image name, for example, Command V or Command Paste. And then we go on Apply Changes. We already see that the logo is shown here, and as always, please remember to hit Save Changes afterwards so that your changes are really saved.